Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make a leftover turkey casserole. So everybody's got bunches of leftover turkey after Thanksgiving, so here is a casserole that can help solve the turkey sandwich dilemma. So this is my nieces Josie and Macy, and we made it together, so come take a look and see. I'll show you how to make this. It's delicious. Just a few basic ingredients, so let's get started. We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, first in a large saucepan, we're going to add 4 cups of chopped up turkey, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, about 16 ounces of frozen peas, half a cup of milk, half a cup of sour cream, and we're going to heat that up over medium heat. Okay, keep stirring it and get it good and hot. Okay, now that we got it pretty well warm, semi-hot, I'm going to add about ½ teaspoon of salt and about $1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or to taste. We've got a large Tupperware, and we're going to take some Pam or some organic, or some generic Pam, and spray our Tupperware just like that. We're going to take our turkey mixture, dump it right in. So my 2 little nieces are going to help me cook, so we're going to put the cheese right on top of the turkey mixture. Okay, go ahead. Good job. Last one. Good job. You guys know what happens when you open these?
No.
They explode.
Really?
Kinda. Watch your eyes. Here it goes. Here it goes. I'm just kidding. It doesn't explode that bad. Kind of bad though.
That scared me.
Me too.
Really scared me.
How about this one?
Daddy one time did that with our biscuits.
Should we do this one? You guys want to open it?
No.
You scared? I am too. Oh my god! Alright, so I'm going to cut these up, and can you guys throw them on top? Cut them up and put them on there. And you just need to... Okay, now we're going to take Grand's biscuits that we quartered up, and we're going to layer them on top of our casserole, right on top of the cheese. Girls, you want to do that? Okay, go ahead. Just like this. You guys are good cooks. Have you done this before? No? Never? I don't believe you. Almost done, huh? 2 more left. Perfect. Good job. All right, we're going to put this in a preheated oven that's preheated to 400, and we're going to let it cook for 20 minutes. All right, let's take out our turkey casserole. Hot. Smells delicious.